It's not every day that on a gardening show I get to make a fire. Probably one of my favorite pastimes. And one of the best ways that we do it is to take dried rosemary or dried lavender, leaves and sticks, the bit of newspaper underneath, and that starts our fire. The aroma is gorgeous, and then once that's going, add 1 or 2 of your briquettes on it so that you can get the best fire ever. So my fire is going, and what better to put on the fire than some delicious, organically grown lamb chops. You can't beat a lamb chop. You can wake me up at any time of the night or day, any hour, and I will say yes. Give me a lamb chop. So first of all, don't kill your lamb chop. That's the part that we kind of get wrong. That fatty bit along the outside is so delicious. And yes, I know it's cholesterol and all that stuff, but you know, sometimes you've just got to give in and relent. So what we're going to be doing here is popping these gorgeous pieces onto some skewers. So we're going to impale it straight through there. Get this other baby on, straight through the fat. Get it in there so that nothing gets broken off. One baby there, and another guy straight through here. And we're going to get these onto the fire and get them going. Of course, in terms of seasoning, all we're going to do is a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's really all you need, folks. Don't go and take away the beautiful flavors of this amazing lamb by killing it with a whole lot of other spices, which are truly not necessary. Bit of pepper on here. And we are then good to go. Come along, folks. The fire is waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect heat. On the bra they go. Ooh. They need about 2 minutes per side. Then flip them over and do that again on the other side. Whilst they're here for the first 2 minutes, I'm going to dash off to the garden and get my beautiful ingredient that's going to go with the sauce. Oof, it's going to be yummy. And this, folks, is the beautiful baby that I'm looking for. This is red mustard. Now, red mustard, when you get it, they're normally small little seedlings like this, 6 or 12 in a pack. You can also get the seed. It comes up like hair on a dog's back. It grows so easily, but look what it becomes. And who would have thought that little seedlings with 3 or 4 little leaves could turn into something as beautiful as this? I do not put this plant in the herb or veggie garden. I keep it amongst my flowers because it is just so beautifully striking and gorgeous. And all I'm going to be needing is literally 1 leaf, and I'm going to take a beautiful red leaf. Look how easily it breaks off. It's mustard, so it's got that lingering, beautiful, almost like English mustard. It's not hot. It's certainly lower than hot English mustard and a mixture of Dijon, but beautiful. When the sky flowers, that is probably the best part of it. It shoots up, gets a beautiful spike, yellow flowers that the bees love, and when you eat those little flowers, they have that little pop of mustard as well. This is a beauty in anyone's garden. My 1 mustard leaf, and come and look at these. Aren't they looking yummy? All they need is a really awesome sauce. So, for the sauce, guys, it's really simple. It's a bit of yogurt. This is like the full fat kind, loaded to the hilt. Your 1 mustard leaf, okay? Lemon and salt and pepper. So all we're going to do here is take our mustard leaf, take it there, let's put that over there, roll it up, and what we want to do is we want to get this finely chopped like that. So we do want to still see that it was mustard. You don't want to beat it up into this green pulp. All right, take these bits and you're going to add it in there. All right, and if you can let this linger a bit longer, even better, because then you really get that flavor of the mustard coming through. but it's simply a roll and slice. And you'll recognize this leaf because if you buy those salad packs, you know those instant ones in the plastic? Don't say no, I know you do. If you buy those and you see little red leaves in them, well, the little red leaves are more than likely mustard, and they get added to many of these little salad mixes. So feel free to know that you can grow it. Okay, so there it is. In go our mustard leaves, little bit of salt, little bit of pepper, nice and easy, the juice of a lemon. Hoo-hoo. In it goes. There we go. Mix this up good and proper. And this is one seriously healthy alternative to a cheese sauce or a mushroom sauce or any barbecue sauce that you're going to find in a bottle. Guaranteed. Of course, let's just have a taste. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's check on these babies. Oh yes, we are good to go. So straight over here, let's get these babies on. Yo, deliciousness. Get our other baby on here. And that's why these skewers work so beautifully. And then on top of it goes our most delicious, yummy mustard yogurt, healthiness. Look at that. And guys, this is the way braai meat should be eaten. Straight off the coals, onto somewhere where you can just simply dig in and eat immediately.